Hey, hi, how are you? My name is Tay, and today we are jumping back into the last episode of Chainsaw Man. I'm hoping that another season will come within the next year. I know that this is still like relatively new, newly released, so but I'm anxious to see how this like somewhat gets wrapped up or if a big chunk of the story is going to get carried over because there's just like so much going on. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and jump right in. But before we do, please don't forget to hit that subscription button down below and we will go ahead and start. I'm going to be upset if he dies. Aww.
長い付き合いになりそうだから知ってほしいな。
I feel so bad for her because she really loved him. It makes me so sad.
一本だけ吸ってやる。一生で吸うタバコはこの一本だけだ。
やったー。火つけてあげる。未成年なの？
そうだけど。
じゃあ吸っちゃダメに決まってんじゃん。よこせ。じゃあこの一本は私が預かっておこう。君が大人になって何かに寄りかかりたくなる返してあげる。
Why did it let go?
幽霊の悪魔には目がないから恐怖心を見る。姫の先輩が言っていたことだ。
Aww. So the devil like still cares about her, or I guess did that favor for her, even though she's working with her the other woman as well. The other this woman just drives me nuts.
姫の先輩。もうすぐ俺も行きます。
Aww. She's awful. She literally is like driving me nuts right at the end of the show because she's just doing too much.
Heavy.
殺すな。
Oh. Hmm.
小紅、お前はどうして公安に残ったんだ。
もうすぐボーナスが出るって。
She's braver than what she thinks she is. Ugh. She's so weird. Ugh.
肉は肉じゃろ。
No, it's not.
人も同じじゃ。
全然違うね。俺たちの仕事はサムライソードを捕まえることだ。捕まえても食うんじゃねえぞ。
Ooh, there's a lot of them.
こいつら気づいてね。大きな声出すなよ。
わしの名はパ
Oh my god.
ワー。勝負じゃ。デンジ、わしについてこい。後ろは任せるぞ。
He's like, I was trying to. He just lets the elevator close on her. He was like, girl, I wasn't trying to fight them. He's so goofy. His nose is stuffed up a little bit.
やだ。
なるほど。じゃあ切り殺してやるよ。
やってみろよベー何？俺を切り殺すんじゃねえのかよ。
Oh my god. Oh shit. Dang. Oh no. This dude's a lunatic.
前よりは動けるみたいだな。デンジ、お前は何のために戦ってる？
この生活を守るためかな。
公安様はそんな大層な暮らししてんのか？
口うるせえのとわがままなのがいるけどな。そこそこ気に入ってるぜ。さっさとてめえ倒してマキマさんに褒めてもらうんだよ。
お前は俺には勝てんね
Oh no.
もう勝ったつもりでいんのか？俺はまだ死んでねえぞ。
雑魚だ。
どこ行った？
Ooh. What? Mm. Imagine looking up and seeing that. That would scare the crap out of you. Oh no! Oh, his arm. Ugh. Oh my god.
終わりだ。もう戦えないだろ。なあデンジ。じいちゃん殺したこと死ぬ前に謝罪しろ。
まだ戦えるぜ。
I was gonna say, he's not gonna give up. He's crazy.
頭にチェーンソーが残ってるからね。
じいちゃんにも教わらなかったか。引き時ってやつをよ。じ
Ooh.
いちゃんに謝罪しろ。そうしたら楽に殺してやる。
ご丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよ。あんがとなバー
Oh. Wow. I wasn't expecting that at all.
カ。獣が狩人の言葉。信じるなって。
Dang. Oh, so much blood. That's crazy. Good.
参加するか？最強の大会によ。お前は何を言ってんだ？こいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃った。だから大会を開く。お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって、警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。
正気かお前。
Yes.
あ？呼んねえのか？
No, he don't want to do that, you loon.
こいつを捕まえることだ。痛がってる したって姫の先輩は喜ばない。あ、そう。
That's so sad.
勝ったら何くれんだ？そりゃもちろんこいつの玉金や。
He thought he was off the hook for a minute.
姫の先輩、天国まで聞こえるか？
Oh.
今回のテロ事件は沢渡茜という元民間のデビルハンターが発端でした。彼女が銃の悪魔と契約し、銃をヤクザに流しました。その対価として沢渡はチェーンソーの悪魔の心臓を要求していたそうです。
なぜ沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を欲しいの？
それが聞き出す前に。
Oh.
自殺。
銃の悪魔との契約で自動的に自殺したのかもしれません。今回の事件でビル内から銃の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ押収。我々公安が持っている5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
ついか。どこに向かって動いた？
Look at them passed out on the floor back there. Oh, this is like kind of from the first episode, right?
デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
Okay, so I enjoyed that. I think it's okay, so I really enjoyed that. I kind of assumed that they were going to wrap some things over and not like finish up this story arc just because there's like so many things going on. So I'm assuming in the next episode then, or the next season rather, they're going to start again looking for the gun devil. But it's a shame that they couldn't question her, that like her head was taken off, that devil attacked her. But I'm assuming it's just like they said because of her contract. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. I actually really enjoyed the show a lot. when I first started this and I saw like the opening, I'm like, this show is bonkers. Like, I don't even know what's going on. But it's really good. I enjoy it. It's very unique and different. And I really liked a lot of the characters. Denji, of course. I think you really grow to like him right away just because he's been through so much and he's just like appreciative just to have like a nice meal. But over, the course of the show, I really grew to like Aki and Himeno. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to the next season. This last episode, I feel like was really good too. And I feel like it kind of, it was nice at the end how they showed Denji and Aki finally kind of becoming friends a little bit more. They've kind of done that a little bit throughout the show, but I feel like especially at the last little bit where they were beating up that guy, beating him up and kicking him in his jewels, I guess. But yeah, so I really enjoyed the show a lot. I'm definitely looking forward to it, so I will definitely watch out for the next season when it comes out. But yeah, if you guys have any other suggestions for shows that are like similar or things that you just like in general, please leave it in the comments. I'm always looking forward to seeing what you guys want me to watch. So that's about it for me, guys. This was a really, really good show. I liked it a whole lot. So I hope you all have a good one, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.